Welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. Today I am talking about the cryptocurrency coins, which is a newly launched coin. It is a much hyped coin, very much hyped coin. Its name is Tensor coin, TNSR, Tensor token. You should check out this token fundamentals, check out its projects and its utility. It is launched newly and it is very hyped project. If you talk about little bit, then you can see that Tensor protocols have traded over 2 billion worth of Solana NFTs. So it is of Solana based blockchains, NFT coins, and it is a very big project. 2 billions they have traded NFTs. So it is one of the biggest blockchains of Solana category NFT coins. So you should not miss out on this big and huge opportunity, because it is recently newly launched and it has not been pumped yet, and it is going deep and deeper, which means it is not going to crash, it will not go rug pull. What it is doing is that you are getting the discount, you are getting this good and big project at a heavy discount. Today all time you are getting 63% discount. If whales are watching, they are not going to miss, they are going to invest heavily, you know, 100k to $1 million. Yes, that is so much huge that they will going to buy in this deep, and you are missing like broke peoples. Don't do silly things such like broke peoples, when it will go pumped like $2 $3, and then you are going to buy. No, you are doing wrong. You should do it when the hype is silent. When it crashes, then you should try to understand the big fundamental futuristic projects. You should try to understand its fundamental. If you are not understanding something big and the trends of the cryptocurrency, uh, let me give you reason why it dropped. As you can see that Bitcoin also dropped from 70k to 60k. Sorry for the cough. 70k to 60k it dropped. The reason behind this is world war. World war news affected all the financial market, stock markets, cryptocurrency markets. All the Bitcoin drops and all the altcoins drops. So it is not going to crash. It is a big project. If you miss this, then you will miss the golden opportunity to make yourself a millionaire and retire early. This is not fundamental financial advice, but you should check its project behind this. Do your own research, try to take knowledge. If you have that knowledge, then you will not fear buying this coin, and you will not have any kind of head, doubt in your minds. So you should buy these coins. It is launched at Binance Launch Pool, biggest of the exchanges. Right now it is at 0.82 Gate.io, HTX, OKX, name exchange, Coinbase exchange, the the favorite of big institutional buyers. That kind of exchanges they are listed. Coinbase, only the best projects which are going to outperform in the market. The big projects only launched on Coinbase, and BlackRock, big players, they bought this coin on these exchanges and it has listed. So you should not waste your time. Try to gain the knowledge about the cryptocurrency. And if you are new to market, then I will suggest you, I have a private group of Telegram, and you should join this group as early as possible, because I have created this group newly for the $20 joining, and it will be permanent for only new 10 users. So if you are new to the market and want to make some good huge amount of gain profits in the market, and you have if and you and if you have ever experienced losses, I can help you recover the losses. I will tell you all the time what is the buying price, what is the selling price, when to take entry, when to take exit. I'll let you all the things updated towards my group. Join my group as early as possible, because you will not get this price. Max to max, if it will drop to 0. 0.4, 0.5, then all the buyers will go heavily in this project, and sooner you will see that $2, $3, it will pump up to 10x, 100x in this bull market easily. In short time I am expecting 5x to 10x. It will pump just be right after the Bitcoin halvings. So don't miss out the opportunity. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will update all the information about the upcoming new launches which are going to pump and which are not yet pumped. I'll let you know all the hidden underrated gems which will go 50x, 100x, 200x. So that kind of gems which will not be at loss if you buy these gems. If you want to get information such like that, then DM me on my Telegram. I'll add you in my premium Telegram group. I'll give the description the link of my Telegram, and then you can DM me and ask me for the ad. Till then, take care, guys, and go best of luck. I'll see you in the next video.